A new article in The New Yorker portrays President Trump as engaging in a brazen effort to stop a corporate merger to punish CNN, and Kellyanne Conway's husband, lawyer George Conway, says the conduct would be impeachable if proven. Time Warner is the parent company of CNN, which Trump regularly attacks as fake news. The magazine quotes a well-informed source saying Trump called Cohn into the Oval Office along with John Kelly, who had just become the chief of staff, and said in exasperation to Kelly, "I've been telling Cohn to get this lawsuit filed and nothing's happened. I've mentioned it 50 times. And nothing's happened. I want to make sure it's filed. I want that deal blocked." The Justice Department has stated publicly that its decision to fight the merger in court was based on the merits, not on political interference from the top. If proven, such an attempt to use presidential authority to seek retribution for the exercise of First Amendment rights would unquestionably be grounds for impeachment, wrote Conway, a prominent lawyer who has publicly broken with Trump, providing an awkward public divide with his wife on the subject. George Conway sent out a pair of additional tweets quoting from the article directly. Cohn, a former president of Goldman Sachs, evidently understood that it would be highly improper for a president to use the Justice Department to undermine two of the most powerful companies in the country as punishment for unfavorable news coverage, and as a reward for a competing news organization that boosted him, according to the article. It continued, citing the same source, saying Cohn wouldn't go along with the directive. He walked out of the meeting and told Kelly, "Don't you dare call the Justice Department. We are not going to do business that way." The story, citing a well-informed source, says Trump had called Cohn and Kelly into the Oval Office to rail about the proposed merger before his Justice Department had taken the formal position to oppose it. "I've been telling Cohn to get this lawsuit filed and nothing's happened. I've mentioned it 50 times. And nothing's happened. I want to make sure it's filed. I want that deal blocked." Trump reportedly fumed. The Trump Justice Department did take a legal position to block the merger, but lost the case on appeal. A former White House official confirmed to the magazine that Trump vented about wanting to block the merger. The president does not understand the nuances of antitrust law or policy, but he wanted to bring down the hammer, according to the source. Conway has broken with Trump in a series of pointed tweets, calling the administration a dumpster fire. In December he mocked Trump's claim that a court filing prosecutors totally clears him. It implicated the president in a scheme to provide hush payments to women who claimed they had affairs with him. Except for that little part where the U.S. Attorney's Office says that you directed and coordinated with lawyer Michael Cohen to commit 2 felonies. Other than that, totally scot-free, wrote Conway. The Conways have become one of Washington's most prominent power couples due to their public split over Trump. They were mocked in a sketch at Saturday's Gridiron Dinner, which Conway attended but her husband did not. Trump publicly criticized the deal during the 2016 campaign.